Welcome back, folks. I am Jon Najarian, and this is 3 at 3. Unusual activity. Yep, for the 6th of June, 2022. Unusual activity, buying on the offer for puts or buying on the offer for calls. That's what we want to see. And when we do, we highlight it. Our subscribers trade it most regularly. And many of you also decide to trade it. And I've got some examples of why that's a good thing for everybody, such as STEM. STEM was one that we talked about Friday. It is not stem cells, but storage of energy, and hasn't moved up huge, but it's moved up 20 cents, which is about 3.4%. And the options are already doing very well. June 10s that expire not this Friday, but next Friday, the 17th. And look, we got all the way up against 10 today. 995, if you look at that arrow, is what we got to. So I took off half my position and I'm letting the rest run, hopefully running a lot higher. Charge point, similar sort of good news, was a $14.17 stock when we talked about it for our final trade on Friday. It moves up to 1468, been as high as 1537 today. And those July 15 calls, yeah, we doubled up on that. We made nearly 100% on the trade. I took half off, and now I'm in a call spread out in July where I'm long the lower strikes and selling and have sold most of the higher strikes against it. And then there's Pete's. Keurig Dr. Pepper. Pete wanted to outdo me, which he did. You heard me talk about this one on 3 at 3 on Thursday. Well, Pete talked about those June 35 calls for 40 cents. And look, today, Keurig Dr. Pepper, those calls went $2.30 in the money. In other words, they were worth at least $2.30 from a 40-cent entry. That, my friends, is a big winner. 600%. Yeah, that's what it is. You know, do the math yourself. $2.40 on the highs for those calls from 40 cents. 6 times. Bang. That's why we trade options, my friends. That's why you guys are watching. And that's why our subscribers are so happy. You should be a subscriber. RebelCon 2022. This is our big conference that happens once a year. This year it'll happen in Texas. Last year we did it in Las Vegas. We're open to other ideas too on the East Coast because next year it'll more than likely be on the East Coast. But it's only 250 people. RebelCon 2022. If you go to marketrebellion.com/Dallas, you can see all about it. marketrebellion.com/Dallas. And then just had to throw this one in too, because this one was way back at the end of April, which might seem like forever ago, but it's really just a little over a month ago. We had strong buying in SunPower, June 22 calls when the stock was 17.19. It pops on those tariff issues that I spoke of this morning on my 60-second workout video. And the stock trades up to $20, $19.99 today, which means that, yeah, those calls worked, got that boom, and then you had to trade out. So I have a very small 25% piece left. Everything else I've traded out of in SunPower, SPWR. All right, let's hit this now. VST, this is a power generation company, so you need electricity. That's what they do. July 27 calls, bought, with the stock at 26.36. Bang. Encourage you to join the rebellion if you want to learn how to spread that one. Go to marketrebellion.com/get started, and we can teach you all about it. How to spread, how to trade actively with less risk, defined amount of risk, and move the odds into your favor. If all that sounds good, go to marketrebellion.com/get started. All right, QuantumScape. These guys are lithium batteries. That's one of the things that they help produce is the lithium for those batteries and so forth. Well, 5,000 weekly, 13 calls with the stock at 12 and a half. I'm buying the 12s, 12 and a halves, and then I'll be selling upside calls if this one starts to pop. And if it doesn't pop, bang, I'm out quick. Why? Because we're in the final week of the options life, so you can't just stick around. We do have a webinar you should stick around for. That webinar occurs tomorrow. How to swing trade choppy markets. And you can register by going to marketrebellion.com. It is completely free. There is no credit card request or anything else. You'll just see exactly how we are trading choppy markets with options. So if you want to learn how to swing trade choppy markets, go to marketrebellion.com, sign up. As always, you'll get a free copy of the presentation as well, emailed out to you. But you got to sign up to get it. And the third and final today is MRK, MRK. $90 stock. They're buying the 90 calls out in October. So this is a stock surrogate. Somebody thinks it's probably going to 100 or thereabouts, but they didn't want to put $90 in. Instead, they put a very small amount of cash to control a $90 stock. That's a smart investor, folks. I followed right along. A lot of time, not a lot of time decay here. So we have time to be right. I'm going to stick with it for probably a goodly amount of time. And by all means, check out Crypto Convo on Clicks TV. That's CLIX TV. Go check out Crypto Convo. I think you're going to like it. It's a great way to follow up on what's going on in crypto, whether it's decentralized autonomous organizations or whether it's NFTs. We've got it all. Go check out Crypto Convo on clickstv.com. Bang, that's going to do it for us today, folks. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow, both here and on the Halftime Report. Bang.